Let's talk about analyst sentiment for a little bit. I think that's why many investors are excited about this stock. Talk about what analysts are saying.
Well, the analysts really liked the report. The trend before the report was positive with upgrades and price target revisions. That trend has continued following the report. They are definitely leading the market to new highs. The high end of their target range is in alignment with some of the technical targets. So I would really be surprised if this stock didn't continue higher for 20 to 30%.
Now, you've mentioned this a little bit, Thomas, just about part of the boost for this business is how much there's a need for healthcare across the globe. Is there any other factors that could impact this company one way or another? Or is it just one of those companies and a product that everybody's going to need?
Um, I think it's one of those things that everybody's going to end up using because it's getting new approvals in new territories on a regular basis, but also within existing territories, new approvals for expanded uses. Um, People are leaning more and more into healthcare. This company is certainly servicing needs, and it's got the AI factor. So I think those are all just real positive tailwinds for the business over time.
Any advice for investors looking to get in on this stock, maybe for the first time, when to get in?
Well, I'd wait for a price pullback. They're sure to come. You don't want to chase a market higher. But as I said, this stock has got a pretty bullish trajectory, got a pretty bullish story, got some clear momentum. So those pullbacks might not be too frequent and they might not be that deep when they come.
So it sounds like their innovations in healthcare are really paying off in a field that has so much demand right now. Are there any other companies that are getting close to what Intuitive Surgical is doing right now?
Well, there is quite a bit of competition. I would say that most of the large med tech companies are trying to get into the robotic surgical segment, but they're all playing catch up. None of them are pure plays. So that's two advantages that Intuitive Surgical has. It's that first player advantage and market leadership.
Well, thank you very much for diving into the stock with us today, Thomas. You can find more about this stock and many others on marketbeat.com and learn more info about any of these stocks right here on our channel. Watch our next video and see if there's another stock out there to add to your portfolio. As always, happy investing.